Welcome to farmer agriculture. In recent decades, we have witnessed how the modern machinery has revolutionized the agriculture. These machines with cutting-edge technology have enabled us to perform large-scale operations in the least amount of time. From harvesting fields of corn to plucking fruits from the farms, every task is done by these machines with great efficiency. In this video, we will talk about some of the most modern machines and how they work in the fields to replace traditional ways. So, if you have not liked the video so far, do it right away and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with similar videos. Let's begin. Pick right vegetable harvester. Picking sensitive vegetables has always been a difficult task for the farmers. It was impossible to harvest such vegetables quickly without damaging them. But Pick Right Vegetable Harvester has changed the game. This machine is very efficient at picking delicate veggies like cucumbers, peppers, and even tomatoes. But the best part is its working speed. One of the latest models of this machine, like the Series 3100, can harvest 3 acres of vegetables in just 1 hour. It is a large machine with a conveyor belt-like structure on the side of it. This belt has sort of brushes all over it reaching the ground. As the tractor moves on the field, these brushes or fingers gently pick the vegetables from the crops and move them onto the conveyor belt without damaging the veggies or the crop. The conveyor belt transports the vegetables into the separators that remove all kinds of debris from the vegetable, including dirt, leaves, or stems. These cleaned vegetables are moved to the sorting area with the help of another conveyor belt present inside the harvester. Here, the specialized brushes sort out the vegetables based on their size or maturity. After that, the vegetables are moved to the collection area where they are stored, and then later on, moved to factories. What makes the Pick Right Harvester modern? It comes with built-in cameras and sensors that can analyze the condition, size, health, or maturity of the vegetables. This feature enables the machine to adjust the settings accordingly to prevent any damage to the crops. 130 HP, large power sugarcane combine harvester. During the old days, manual sugarcane harvesting was laborious and time-consuming. However, step in the 130 HP large power sugarcane combine harvester, which is a game changer for sugarcane farms. This tractor-sized contraption is the ultimate all-in-one sugarcane harvesting solution. Imagine a heavy industrial machine with a saw attached to its front end. This is the very core of how a sugarcane combine harvester operates. While the harvester advances along the field, the arm goes out to separate sugarcane stems near the base. However, it does not stop there. They then carefully detach the stem leaves and tops, leaving only the stalks. These gathered stalks are being transported onto a conveyor belt that curves along the sides of the harvester. The conveyor takes the stalks to a cutting mechanism that slices them into smaller sizes for easier processing. The last step involves the loading of the chopped sugarcane onto a waiting truck or trailer driving alongside the harvester. Now, we will discuss the latest 130 HP vehicles. The pack is equipped with immense power to deal with the most difficult of fields. Moreover, this harvester is made for the comfort of farmers. You can harvest your crops in the scorching heat while sitting inside your air-conditioned cab. You can also keep track of the machine in the field with its GPS system. But the best part is its self-leveling technology. This feature enables the combine harvester to adjust its cutting level to ensure a smooth and same-size cutting of the sugarcane. AI-controlled irrigation systems. While we have irrigation systems that cover the water needs of our crops, farmers always have to keep an eye on the crops and stay alert for the water requirements. But thanks to AI-controlled irrigation systems, we can now automate our field's irrigation system. How? Of course, with the artificial intelligence. So how does it work? This system comes with tiny sensors that are buried all over the field. These sensors monitor the condition of the soil, especially the moisture or the dryness of the land. Once these sensors realize there is a requirement for water, they send the signal to the control unit of the system. The control unit, in return, sends the signal to the sprinklers that shower the required amount of water on the crops. This not only automates the irrigation system, but also ensures an accurate amount of water is used. It doesn't end here. The weather station of this irrigation system can monitor the sunlight, temperature, weather, and rain. This feature enables the AI to analyze how much moisture will be added or lost from the soil, and then adjust the water requirement accordingly. There are several advantages to using AI-powered irrigation systems. Firstly, they save water. By watering only when necessary, these systems can significantly reduce waste, which is a huge benefit in areas facing droughts or with limited water resources. Secondly, they keep your crops happy. Crops don't like being over or underwatered, and AI systems ensure they get just the right amount, leading to healthier growth and potentially higher yields. What are your thoughts on this AI-controlled irrigation system? Do you think AI can handle it better than us? Let us know in the comments. Also, before we move to the next advanced machine, hit the like and subscribe button to see more similar videos. The Case IH Autonomous Quad Track. This concept is a futuristic new product in the realm of tractors that can self-drive, thus changing the traditional method of farming. I'm talking about the latest and greatest, the special features from cutting-edge sensors to super-delivered GPS precision that you can use to navigate obstacles like rocks and ditches without much help from a driver. This tractor comes packed with sensors that give it information about the water content in the soil and where the tools are. All of this data is transferred to a main PC, which analyzes the situation in real time to make the right decisions and avoid potential dangers kept during the whole operation. Now, farmers can operate tractors without being there on the field, yet they can stay in control by monitoring it online. This grants them the authorization to take over during, or else they can make changes at, any stage, thus providing them the degree of control required for the administration of their areas. The benefits for farmers are huge. The tractor works in a continuous cycle, without needing a break, and can operate on a 24/7 basis, a useful aspect in time-saving at busier times when seedlings are planted and harvesting takes place. Moreover, in addition to this, it works very accurately, which results in time and resource savings. However, the technology might accomplish a surplus of the job, which can generate certain issues. Therefore, it causes them to use less owner labor. Thus, farmers have more time to address other vital issues. Iron Ox Grover. Now, let's see how the latest innovations have also revolutionized indoor farming. This is an AI robot called Grover, launched by Iron Ox Company. It assists farmers in daily basic tasks like watering the indoor crops, picking up the ripe fruits or vegetables, and moving trays here and there whenever necessary. This is a specialized machine, especially for those vegetables that are grown using hydroponic techniques. With its AI technology, Iron Ox Grover acts efficiently and saves water by constantly monitoring the water requirements of the plants. It has a unique motor and suspension system that can lift up to 1,000 pounds easily. This enables farmers to easily lift the heavy trays and move them from place to place. It roams around the indoor farms all the time autonomously and keeps an eye on everything from plants to water requirements. The Grover tends to tons of vegetables and fruits, such as strawberries, tomatoes, and leafy greens. It keeps an eye on the overall health of these plants with its sensors and cameras, and tends to the issues right away if it finds any. This ensures no plant goes to waste, and thus it increases productivity many times fold. This means farmers can put their efforts into more productive tasks without worrying about these matters. The TerraStrip Model ZN8R75. This machine by Bednar Company assists farmers, especially those growing maize, with the convenience they desire. It aims at conditioning the soil to accommodate the sowing of such crops as corn and sunflower in a manner that is gentle to the soil. In other words, it breaks the soil layers without forming compaction. This means that farmers can keep the soil structure intact without causing any ecological pressure. This machine is designed to be as sturdy as possible and has a heavy-duty frame made of the highest quality all-form steel. In addition, these machines have special components called tines that are designed for crumbling the soil. These tines come in two types: no mix, which sorts the soil without putting any leftover pieces along with it, and active mix, which blends the soil with any leftover bits. Furthermore, there are variants of the roller, double-spiked rollers, to adapt to various soil types and conditions. One of the remarkable attributes of the TerraStrip is that it can be installed together with a fertilizer hopper. These hoppers give an easy way to get fertilizer where it is most wanted in the soil, encouraging the plants to develop strong. Thus, the TerraStrip is not only capable of building the soil, but it also aids plant nutrition for healthy growth. For farms, TerraStrip makes the hard work of soil conditioning easier and more effective. Featuring robust design and multifaceted possibilities, it empowers farmers to adjust soil preparation methods to meet their particular requirements. GUS Autonomous Sprayer. Taking care of the crops is a more effort-taking task than seeding or harvesting them. The threat of weeds, insects, or other harmful factors is always there. But GUS Autonomous Sprayer is an advanced tech machine that takes this worry away. This is an automatic machine that roams in the rows of the fields or the orchards without any driver. It has advanced sensors that can analyze any object in front of them, which enables the machine to move into the orchards without damaging anything. But this is not one of its main tasks. These sensors allow the GUS sprayer to identify any growing weed anywhere in the orchards. This machine is like a large tanker filled with spray. After identifying the weed, it uses its spray on the precise location of the weed, thus ensuring it kills the weed at the spot without damaging the crops. There's more. Farmers can program GUS with different settings depending on their needs. They can adjust the spray pattern, how high or wide the sprayer reaches, and even how much herbicide is applied. And the best part? One person can actually control a whole fleet of GUS sprayers at the same time, all from a comfortable spot like a pickup truck with a laptop. Let's wrap up today's video here. What do you think about these innovative agricultural machines? And what is the potential to boost the overall productivity with these machines? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button right away. We will see you in the next video.